Emergency alert message. Attention, residents of Zarga, Purusa. This is an urgent message from the Purusa Police Department. We have received reports of a serious incident involving a suspect who has allegedly harmed 4 victims in our community. We urge all residents to exercise extreme caution and remain vigilant until further notice. Suspect description. Height, approximately 5 feet tall. Attire, wearing a black long-sleeve shirt. Weapon, suspect is armed with a knife. In light of this situation, we advise everyone to stay indoors and avoid any unnecessary travel or outdoor activities. Lock all doors and windows, and keep them secured at all times.